In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show movement in static images in Figma. Even if you're working with still images, you can create the feeling of motion by quickly switching between two versions of an image in a prototype. Think of it like a flipbook. Each image is a state, and clicking moves you to the next state, which your viewer reads as movement. Start by selecting your first image on the canvas. Right-click it, and choose Frame Selection. This wraps the image inside its own frame, which is essential because Figma creates interactions between frames, not standalone images. Do the exact same thing for your second image. Right-click it and choose Frame Selection. Now you have two separate frames, each holding one static image, ready to be connected in a prototype. Next, switch to Prototype at the top of the right-hand panel. Click to select the first framed image. You'll see a small circular plus icon appear near the edge of the frame. This is the interaction node. Click and drag that plus icon to the second framed image. As soon as you let go, Figma opens the interaction details. Set the trigger to onClick. That means when someone clicks the first image in the prototype, it will navigate to the second image. Leave the default action as is. The goal here is simply to move from one frame to the next to imply motion. Now select the second framed image. Again, grab the plus icon and drag it back to the first framed image. In the interaction settings that appear, make sure the trigger is also set to onClick. This creates a simple loop. Click once to move forward to the second state. Click again to return to the first. Tapping back and forth gives the impression of movement, like blinking eyes, a toggling switch, or a quick before and after effect. To preview everything, go to the top right and click the play button. In the presentation window, click on the image and watch it switch between the two frames. If the interaction isn't working, double-check that both images were framed, that you're in the Prototype tab, and that the trigger is set to onClick in both directions. That's it. With just two framed images and a pair of on-click connections, you can convincingly show motion inside Figma without any complex animation. This technique is perfect for quick demonstrations, lightweight prototypes, and simple state changes that need to read as movement.